Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss question number 37. Okay, so what does it say? A cloth manufacturing company offers discounts to the dealers and retailers. The discount is computed using the total length of the cloth as per the following table. Okay, so up to 1000 meters dealers will get 20%, but retailers will get 15% discount. Similarly, if it is between 1000 and 2000, dealers will get 25% discount and retailers will get 20% discount, and if it is more than 2000 meters, dealers should get 35% discount and retailers should get 25% discount. So write a program in Java to input the length of the cloth and the total amount of purchase. Two things we need to take input: length of the cloth and the total amount. The program should display a menu to accept type of customer, that is D for dealer and R for retailer, and print the amount to be paid. Display suitable error message for a wrong choice. So let's come to the code. So here I have declared all the required variables, and here I have declared the scanner object, and here I am displaying the menu. Okay, so and then I display a message, enter your choice, and then I take the character input and store it in the variable code. Code is of character type. Then I pass that code to switch. Okay, now there can be two cases. Code can store, there can be three cases. Code can store D, code can store R, and if it is anything else, will display invalid choice. So let's say if it is D, then I'll display a message here, enter cloth length and amount. So I'll take the input and store it in, the length will be stored in len and the amount will be stored in amount. Okay, now here I am checking if the length is less than equal to 1000 as per the table given in the question. If it is less than equal to 1000, then the payable amount will be what? It will be amount. So total amount is stored in amount. So from that amount I will subtract 20% of amount. Okay, so this is the discount. This expression represents the discount. Okay, 20% of amount, and this one is the total amount. So when I subtract discount amount from total amount, I will get the payable amount, and that is stored in PAMT. Similarly, if the length is greater than 1000 as per the table given in the question, and it is less than equal to 2000, then the discount, the payable amount will be amount minus 25% of amount. And if it is greater than 2000, payable amount will be amount minus 35% of amount, and then finally I will display payable amount is PAMT, and then I will break. Okay, so this was for dealer, isn't it? If you notice, so notice 20, 25 and 35. This was dealer's discount, isn't it? And this I applied it on case D. Now for case R, that is retailer, the entire code is same. The only thing that is different, is this one, 15, 20 and 25, which is the retailer's discount. Okay, so I hope you have understood this program. Thank you. Okay, let's see the output also. Okay, so here is the menu. I'll choose, let's say, D first, then enter cloth length. Let's choose 1500. So 1500, and the amount also I have to enter. So amount let's say 20,000 or 22,500. Okay, so the payable amount becomes 18,000. Now let's choose R and see what happens. So I'll choose R here. Again the same message is displayed, enter cloth length and amount. So this time let's put 20,000 as the length and the amount is 40,000. Okay, so the payable amount is 34,000. Okay, thank you.